Welcome to this full body active reset to release the built up tension from your body, to help you move, open up, and feel refreshed from head to toe. Let's get started in a standing position at the top of the mat. Keep everything loose. Make sure you got enough space around you. Now sway your arms one side and to the other, keeping them heavy all the time. Slight movement from your knees, hips, and slightly more from your upper body. Few more times at your own pace. One last time. Back to the center, clasp your fingers just behind your head, elbows facing forward. Take a deep breath in. Tuck your chin in on your exhale. Round your spine. Keep a generous bend in your knees. Go as low as you can. On your inhale, lift your head up, elbows pointing side to side. Arch your spine, lift your tailbone up. Crescent your feet, come all the way up. Continue this way 2 more times. Inhale on the top. Exhale, chin to chest. Roll your spine down. Inhale, lift your head up, followed by elbows arching your spine. Come all the way up. One last time. Now release your hands. Find a tabletop position. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, cat cows. Arch your spine on your inhale, exhale on your spine. 2 more rounds at your own pace. On your inhale, back to neutral position. Crawl your hands back, lift up into a high kneeling position. Extend the right leg to the side, right foot in line with your knee. Lift your right foot up, extend rotation from your hip joint. Bend your right leg, sink your weight towards your right leg. Let the heel lift if needed. Stay upright, exhale, hold and breathe. Feel the weight of your hip sinking towards the ground. Re-extend the leg. Lift your right foot up and drop it down, foot flat on the ground. Once more, repeat. Exhale, sink towards your right leg. Breathe here. Extend the right leg. Release right knee to the mat. Extend the left leg to the side, left foot in line with your knee. Hands can come to your waist. Make sure your hips are squared, not tilting to one side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lift your left foot up. Bend the left leg. Shift your weight towards your left leg. Hold and breathe. One last time. Extend, lift, foot flat on the ground. Lift your left foot once again. Exhale, bend, sink to left. Breathing into both your inner thighs and groin. Extend your left leg. Step your left foot to the top of the mat for low lunge this time. Extend your both arms forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist to the left. Left arm goes behind you. On your inhale, right arm reaches up and over. Left hand can come to your low back or release to the back of your leg. Reach into your right fingertips. Inhale, back to twist. Exhale, close. Continue this way 1 more time. Moving with the breath. This time, hold here as you reverse. Breathe into the right side of your body. Back to the center. Exhale, close. Release your both hands inside of your left foot. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee open to the side for active skandasana. The right foot is flat on the ground. Lift your chest up. Hands can stay on the mat or can reach forward. Hold and breathe. On your next exhale, release your hips towards the mat. Lift the right toes up. Hands can come to the ground if your heel is lifted. Or open your arms nice and wide. Look towards the ceiling or ahead of you. Breathe here. Release. Now, with or without the support of your hands, shift your weight to the other side for active skandasana on the right. Hold and breathe. Stay strong to your legs. Now, on your exhale, release your hips towards the mat. Hands can come to the ground or open your arms nice and wide. Look in any direction. Breathe. Stay active through the left leg. Release both hands to the mat. Face the back of the mat. Spin onto your both feet. Drop the left knee down for low lunge. Left knee or left ankle. Both arm reaches forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist to the right. Right arm goes behind you. On your inhale, reverse it. Left hand to your low back or release to your back leg. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, close. One last time. On your inhale, reverse. Hold and breathe here. Keep pressing into your both legs. Feel the stretch in the left line of your body, down to your waist, in the front of your left hip. Lift up on your inhale, exhale, close. Both hands come inside of your right foot. Check the back toes, lift the back knee off the mat. Open to the side for wide-legged fold over. Turn the right toes in. Inhale, half lift. Flat back, exhale, fold over. Relax your head, grab the opposite elbows. Maybe swaying side to side. Breathing in and out your nose. Soften your knees. Keep shifting your weight towards your feet. Release your hands to the mat. Half lift. Heels together. Keep your feet more than hip width apart. Slightly toes out, heels in for active malasana. Bend your knees and your hips back. Hands can come to the mat or reach forward. Hold and breathe. Keep your chest lifted. Slowly release your hips to the mat. Release your hands to the ground. For windshield wipes, hands go behind you. Lift your chest up. Drop your legs to the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale to the other side. Let's repeat once more. Just initiating that movement from your hip joint. Turn to face the top of the mat. Lift the back foot. Swing all the way around. Place it to the outside of your left thigh. Release both sit bones to the mat. Right arm goes behind you. Left arm reaches up and over. Inhale, exhale. Either left arm crosses the right thigh or hug the right leg. Take a deep breath in and out your nose. Stay here for 2 breaths. Relax your right shoulder. Gently ease out of the twist. Lift the right foot. Swing all the way around to the back with or without the support of your hands. Switch the legs to the other side. Lift your left foot off the mat. Extend to the side. Maybe without the support of your hands, swing all the way around using your core strength. Place it to the opposite side. Left arm goes behind you. Right arm reaches up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist. Either right arm crosses the left thigh or hug the right leg. Stay tall with every inhale. Stay here for 2 breaths. Gently ease out of the twist. Lift the left foot, swing all the way around to the back. Release your hands. Find a seated bounded angle pose. Get the soles of your feet together. Let the knees fall open. Hands come to your legs. Take a deep breath in. Sit up tall. Close your eyes. Exhale. Fold over at your own degree. Keeping your spine nice and tall. Either you can come up on your hands or forearms. Relax your head. Breathe in and out your nose. On your inhale, slowly lift up. Keeping your eyes closed, find easy cross-legged variation. Let's take a deep belly breath in. Pause at the top, open your mouth, let go. Take a few moments here to notice how your body feels as opposed to the beginning of the class. Guide your hands at your heart. Bob it forwards. Thank yourself for showing up today exactly as you are. If this practice supported you, comment below how it felt for you. You're welcome to subscribe to this channel and practice together again. Take care. I'll see you in the next practice.